Hi everyone, this is me Haris Mahmood and you're watching Mashriqi Tech. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get PNG format option if there is not a PNG option. If you go to the file and save as option and go to the format, but there is not PNG option, there are rest of the option PSD, EPS, JPEG and many other options and formats, but there is not PNG. So how can get this? So before starting our video, so kindly subscribe our channel, like our videos, because we do our best to make your work easy. So we need your support to subscribe and like our video. It is our appreciation. So let's begin our video. So first of all guys, you need to go to the image and it's a very simple method. Just follow me, then go to the mode, and here you will find some options. Just you need to click on RGB color. Just click on this, and after this if you go to the file and save option, so in the format just click on the format, and as you can see here, right here there is PNG. So it's a very simple method. I hope you like our video. So kindly support, subscribe and like our video, and we will get and bring some more interesting and technical videos for you. So see you then. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.